Well, moving on, 14 people have been arrested for violent clashes between two groups in Bihar's Muzaffarpur district. 3 people were charred to death after a bomb set ablaze over 50 houses in Saraya village following the recovery of an abducted youth's body. Bihar government has ordered a high-level probe into the incident and announced a compensation of 5 lakh rupees each to the family of those killed and 50,000 each to those injured. The case is one of eloping that involves two communities. According to reports, the girl's family and friends murdered the boy, following which the other community set fire to the houses in the girl's village. Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has cut short his visit to Maharashtra and is returning back today. Police patrolling has been intensified in and around the troubled village, where district administration has been asked to keep an extra vigil.
Tension is simmering in Azizpur village of Muzaffarpur district after the incident that happened yesterday. I have with me Ranjit Kumar Mishra, the SSP of Muzaffarpur. Ranjit ji, could you just tell out what kind of security has been put in place in the village to ensure that there is no backlash taking place?
We have a strong police presence over here in the villages as well as in the nearby villages which we have identified as sensitive. Plus another sensitive spot is the Muzaffarpur town that we have. So we are having intense patrolling and flag marches all over the town. Apart from that, we are interacting with media and just appealing to people not to spread rumors and not to pay attention to such rumors. And also whatever development is happening and whatever action is being taken, we are readily sharing that with the media.
Have you identified the accused from both the sides? Has an FIR been lodged? Have they been arrested?
Yeah, the main accused in both the cases, the murder of the boy as well as the rioting, both the cases, the main accused all have been identified, all have been arrested. So further identification of all other culprits is being done, and we are sure we will have the remaining all of them. So whatever action is happening, we are doing both the ways. We are acting very fast. We have made substantial arrests, and we are sharing it with the people so that there is no such rumor, no space for rumors.
One final question: how many people have been arrested at this point of
14.
time? 14 people. Yeah. Signs of loot, arson and destruction can be seen in Azizpur village in Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. Right now we are in a house and where tension erupted yesterday between two groups, as a fallout of which one of the group attacked the other. 25 houses were completely torched and 3 people died in that incident, and the group also indulged into loot and arson, and we can show you how everything has been spread here, thrown here and there, and the family alleged that the group that attacked them indulged into loot also. क्या हुआ था कल, जरा बताइए तो?
कैसे करिए?
क्या हुआ?
कल हुआ है यह बात कि हम लोग घर में थे, हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं जानते हैं, गरीब आदमी। लड़की को शादी के सामान से जोड़ के रखे हुए थे, मोटरसाइकिल किने हुए थे, रुपया पैसा था, लड़की के शादी है, एक दिन नकदी उगदी सब पैसा रखे हुए थे, गिनना था, मोटरसाइकिलों है, नकदियों है, सारा सामान उठा के ले गया। गहना के 2 सिलेंडर है, गहना के जेवर से सब, गहना के डिब्बा से सब बिक दिया, सब झोला लिया। 3 बहू का जेवर था, जैसे कि भैया जी कम से कम तो ये सब लगा के हमरा 10 लाख पर लगा हमरा।
घर भी जला दिया,
15-20 लाख रुपया के धक्का दे दिया।
आप बताइए क्या हुआ? बताइए तो।
2 पलंग था, बहू का जड़ गया, बेटी का देने वाला सर सामान था, सब जड़ गया। अब क्या है, अब घर में कुछ भी बचा हुआ नहीं, अब खाने के लिए अब कुछ भी नहीं है, क्या खाएंगे? बच्चा सब पहनने के लिए सब जला दिया, क्या पहनाएंगे? और क्या बोले?
Family is absolutely in a state of shock. They really don't understand how will they lead their life from here on after this incident that has happened here. Tension erupted between two groups, and everywhere, wherever you go in this village, there are signs of destruction that can be seen. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh in village Azizpur in Muzaffarpur district for Headlines Today.